bush-type flexible coupling. In this coupling, two flanges are used to transmit power. One of the flanges has bigger size holes on the pitch circle. The flanges are kept in position and the shafts are assembled with the flanges using taper sunk keys. The flexible bushes are fitted into the bigger sized holes of the flanges. Finally, both the flanges are connected together by means of bolts, nuts and washers. The flexible bush allows for slight misalignment of the axis of the shaft, and it also enables power transmission from one flange to the other without shock.